Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the power of words and how choosing the right ones can make all the difference. We'll be looking at a sentence and explaining why certain words fit perfectly while others don't. Let's get started. Our second sentence is, when it defines, varies, detects, reflects, a change in a person's health, the best choice is detects. Why detects? We choose detects because this is the most suitable option, as the wristwatch is designed to sense or identify changes in a person's health. For example, a smartwatch can detect an irregular heartbeat or a sudden drop in physical activity. Why not the other options? Defines. This would mean explaining or describing the change, which is not what the wristwatch does. Example, a dictionary defines the meaning of words. Varies. This would mean changing or altering, which is not the function of the wristwatch in this context. Example, the weather varies from day to day. Reflects. This would mean showing or mirroring, which is not the primary function of the wristwatch. Example, a mirror reflects your image. That's it for today. We'll discuss the next blank in tomorrow's video. If you're learning and enjoying our content, please show your support by subscribing, liking, and sharing with your loved ones. See you in tomorrow's video.